Hello. Oh,
Hi, I'm Paul.
we're gonna be talking about revenge. And revenge is something you don't want to do. Good. Let's just say I ate my brother's cookies. Then he go in my room and trash it up and say I did it. That's revenge, okay? So you don't want to do that. Because if somebody killed your best friend, then you kill them, then you going to go to jail for that. But it's going to be revenge. So you're going to feel good, but then you're going to feel bad at the same time. Because it could be the wrong person. It could be his twin brother, twin sister, I don't know, biological father. I don't know. So, yeah, you do not want to do revenge, because revenge can be really deadly, and then it can be really funny because you can do that.
Sometimes I wish I can kill somebody in my class.
And then sometimes it could be fun prank, like I can eat a cookie that's my brother's, and he can get an Oreo and take out the inside, and just fill it with toothpaste. Call that revenge. See, that's not, it's not bad, because at the moment you have a good smelling breath, but you're not in jail or anything. So yeah, that's what I gotta. So yeah, that's all I have, and now we're gonna go to my brother.